Hey, how's it going, everybody? Tito here, and welcome to another video for you guys. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about why you should not install beta software on your smartphones. So listen up and listen closely. But before I do, if you guys could do me a solid and smash that like button because it really helps me out, I would truly appreciate that. And turning on bell notifications so you don't miss a video upload or when I go live, like I did earlier today. Now, in this video, like I said, I'm going to talk to you guys about why you should not install beta software. Look, people, don't do it, okay? I cannot tell you guys how on social media I see a lot of people that install the beta software, and that's like the first thing that they go to. Like on iOS 26, there's someone's like, I just got iOS 26, liquid glass icons, woohoo! They're excited. Or, I got Android 16 and Material 3 Expressive. It's like they get the beta software for the user interface looks, right? Like the visuals of the new user interface or something that's been changed in the user interface, never thinking that it's beta software, it's going to have bugs. You may experience some issues with it. Apps may not work properly. And then you take to social media like a few days later and you complain. Whoa, that just really blows my mind. It sucks. This doesn't work anymore. The beta software broke this on my phone. What were you expecting? Okay, there's a reason why it's called beta software. Beta software is not stable software. It's allowing developers the access they need to begin developing if they have an app service to get that app, pretty much smoothed out with the next iteration of a stable software update. That's what it's for. The beta software is also for people who tend to review technology to allow them to kind of get a peek at what's coming up the road. And for those people who are willing to be guinea pigs, like myself, willing to take the beta software and use the little handy app that are on both of these platforms, not just on iOS, not just on Android. Both of them have this handy little app, and it's called Feedback. And in that app, it allows you to send feedback if you discover a bug. So that way, these companies that release the software can get your report on the bug and then compare it to other people who are reporting bugs. And if they see some that's a pattern, it helps them to locate the bug, recode, fix it, and then put it out in the next beta software release for people to try and see if they've resolved the issue when it comes to the bug. So the fact that people are complaining about bugs in beta software, I have no sympathy for what you're going through. And I'm not gonna BS anyone. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna hold your hand, tender-footed one, and be like everything's gonna be okay. Like, look, there's ways to get out of it. Unless you truly are the unlucky one who just got your phone hard bricked from taking beta software. Me, I will tell you guys this: if you're going to want to be a guinea pig, know how to get out of these things. Okay, like with the Google Pixels. They have a flash tool. If you can't downgrade the software out of beta back onto stable, use the Google Pixel flash tool. That will install stable software back onto your device. Of course, any things you may have had that you didn't back up, you're going to lose it because it's going to completely wipe the phone. Okay? So you have to understand that. You're installing beta software at your own risk. And I'm going to say this little trend of getting beta software so you can get the latest look of the upcoming user interface. Stop doing it, okay? Just wait until the stable one comes out. That way, less headaches, less chances of bugs and issues when you're getting a stable version, okay? Now, releases of stables are not always perfect. I know that. I'm no stupid fool. But I'm just saying, it is a less likely chance of those bug issues versus having it on beta. Beta, it's always going to have bugs. There's always going to be something that's a problem. So don't do it for the looks, okay? If you're an enthusiast like myself who just wants to test out the beta software and send feedback, good on you. But if you have like a secondary device, like if you have like an iPhone 12, for instance, take me for example, and I have an iPhone 11 Pro Max, then best way is if my iPhone 12 is my main daily driver device, I would put the beta software on my iPhone 11 Pro Max and test it on that phone. So that way it's not messing with my main daily driver device. Said same for Google Pixels and Samsung, etc. Okay? Don't put beta software on your main device.